Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk about GigProfitz. Now this is a product by Kurt Kreisler and it's due to be released on the 5th of February at 10 AM Eastern. Now what this is all about basically guys is being an affiliate for Fiverr. So we're going to jump inside, I'll show you the software, I'll show you how this works, and then we'll talk a little bit about the strategy overall, and I'll just point out one or two things on the sales page you need to be aware of. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. The idea of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of product or service online. If you're interested in these types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to learn how to build a business with affiliate marketing online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. So guys, basically this is all about building affiliate sites that will be hosted for you on their platform. You've got built-in affiliate links, you're 100% newbie friendly, and it's must have for any affiliate marketer. Just a quick look at this sales page. There is no real drama on this sales page apart from the fact that this image here, which is kind of insinuating that you'll have the earnings from this piece of software, comes from a previous product of theirs called Course Creator, and Course Creator has got exactly the same information on it and exactly the same financial proof. So you take that with a pinch of salt. Let's just talk about the strategy overall. This is kind of annoying, it keeps coming in for a discount, but it's going to give you a couple of bucks off. So let's go straight inside the software. Now it looks nice and clean and fresh. If I just go into the dashboard itself, what you have here is the ability to make sites, the ability to post various blogs, posts to that site, and you have some kind of account view data here, and then you have your sites. And then this test 13 site is the one that I actually did quickly, and they're pretty easy to build, to be honest. Then you have the account settings overall. Now this is crucial because you're going to be a Fiverr affiliate. You need a Fiverr affiliate ID. Now let's jump over to Fiverr quickly. Fiverr does run its own affiliate program. If you come right down to the bottom here, you'll see affiliates here. If you click on this, you come over to this affiliate page. Now this explains to you all about the commission plan, all of the different resources you can use, and you can go ahead and join their affiliate program. Now this looks like a pretty good affiliate program to me. What it's going to do is every time you actually go ahead and recommend one of their sellers, you get a commission. And if you look at the commissions here, there's either a cost per action commission, it's a first time buyer commission. If somebody goes ahead and buys something off one of these sellers, you get a commission. Or there's this hybrid one, which is a $10 front end, and then you get a 10% revenue share. So if somebody was offering something on a regular basis, or you had a particular seller you wanted to go ahead and promote, you could go ahead and take up this one. I'll leave that for you to go ahead and look at. I'll just go and leave the link to this particular site in the description below, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. So what GigProfitz is all about basically is building one of a site that gets people to click on your affiliate links for Fiverr. So all you need to do is put an affiliate ID in, and you can come down and basically once you build a site, every time they click on one of the sellers, you get a commission. So if I just look at the site, this is the site I built. Now this is the main kind of look and feel of the sites that are getting built for you. And what you'll see here is that depending on the category I put, you'll have sellers that are recommended in that particular category. So if I click into any of these, I will immediately go over to this here, and this gives me a brief description of the seller, etc., with the 5-star rating and everything. And if I order the gig, I'll be brought over to Fiverr, and this is where I would get my affiliate commission if somebody buys something off this seller. So in essence, the site seems to work fine. We'll just go back to the actual site itself. This is pre-built for you and everything looks fine. There is an area to add various bits of information down here, so no real issues with that. If I just go back to the dashboard, I'm going to show you how to create one of these. What I would do is basically I would go ahead and create a site here with a title, and then I'd want it to be in a certain niche. It's going to pick out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 niches at the moment. There is an upsell one that gives you more niches or more categories that you can go ahead and add to this, or you can have multiple categories if you upgrade. So I'll put graphic design, I'll create this, and it doesn't take long to create the actual site for me. So basically guys, I'll go ahead and view this. A same kind of look and feel at the top. You can change that, and then there's actually creative design type gigs now that you're going to go and advertise. So no real issues there. If I just go and press settings on here, you can see I can add the social links. I have SEO options here, and I can update the site settings here. I can't really see how to update some of the other settings with the various links at the bottom of the page, but I'm sure they're on here somewhere. Now, that's the actual site itself, guys. There is lots and lots of different upgrades on here that allow you more functionality on here, allow you to have more categories, more sites. There is different things that they're actually going to add. There's also content creator and the ability to add posts to your site. Again, is an upgrade. So the front end is a little bit limited. You also have this mailing suite here. You get single sends here, automated sends here, sign up forms, which are very basic. List cleaner. I don't like using these things from these types of softwares because I always think any email sent from this type of software will end up going straight in a spam folder. I prefer to use things like GetResponse. GetResponse is a great free email autoresponder up to 500 subscribers. You're better off using GetResponse if you want to email people anything, and it's free anyway, so you might as well use it. Now, there is upgrades that you can actually add posts to these sites. You can add people's channels to these sites if you want to add more content, but none of that really matters if you end up putting a site under their domain, because it'll never rank anyway. You're going to have to share the link to actually get people over to this site. There is a way to add your own domain to this, but essentially you have to download the site and then you have to come back and then put it into your own hosting to host the site. There is kind of some things that you need to be aware of, especially if you have to go ahead and use your own domain and then download files and put them into your own hosting. What you can do on the affiliate marketplace in GetResponse is you can actually use a marketing widget, a Gigs ad widget, which is, I think, is what this is. And basically you can go and use this for free. So all I need to go is have a website of my own and then add this widget to one of my pages on my website, and I've got the same thing. So I don't actually need this software at all to do this. I just use this widget. They've also got search boxes, they've got rotating banners, they've got lots of tools here if you look under the affiliate resources, including an affiliate store here, and it gives you lots of different resources for webs and blogs, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. So you don't really need this software, guys, I'm afraid. I think it's a little bit redundant unless you have no website whatsoever and you want to use this platform. Now, the other thing that you need to be aware of is there is no mention of traffic on here anywhere. You can build whatever website you want, but you will not get any visitors over to it unless you have a form of traffic. Social media traffic, if you've got a big audience on social media. Could be YouTube if you're going to do some kind of product reviews and then get people over to this site. You could be talking about blogging and having articles to do with whatever category you want to go ahead and promote in here, and you could be sending them over to this site. You just need to be very aware of that just building this site doesn't mean anything unless you understand how to build traffic. So as beginners coming over to here, what you're essentially buying is a nice little piece of software. No real big issues with it. I don't think it's any dangerous in a way, because basically all you're doing is linking through some form of widget to Fiverr, but essentially you could do this yourself if you have your own website and you pay for your own hosting. So that's kind of where I am on this. It's no real big issues with it. It is a bit annoying that they have to use the same financial proof every time on their sales pages. Maybe they can come up with some real financial proof and it would be useful. I wouldn't personally purchase this. If I wanted to go ahead and promote Fiverr, I'd just put that widget on my own website. If you do go ahead and buy this, just make sure you understand how to get traffic over to the site, or you're going to be completely wasting your time. Hope that was useful to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to my channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and you can get started today. Until next time, guys, take care.